morning, everybody. My name is John Thorpe from Maxson Associates, and I am here to do the owner training on this Modernfold Premier operable partition. We're going to walk through it step by step. So guys, here's what I want you to remember. When we're pulling these panels out of the pocket, we want to lead with the right and swing it out this way. We want that top seal to be sticking out this way. We always want to move the panel or panels away from us, right? From a safety standpoint. This is the magic of Modernfold. So we're going to bring it all the way down, and when we get really close, we can always have somebody else line that up for us. But we're going to get that right there. Good. And we're going to give it a little push. Counterclockwise brings this down, all right? And as soon as it hits the floor, tap. We don't have to over crank it. And that baby is good to go. Once again, shoulder height, one at a time. Bring it out. And when we get to this second part right here, we're going to lead with that right hand turn. All right. And then we're going to bring it down. And then that slides right in there. I just look and make sure that it looks like it's lined up. And I can walk over there if I choose to. I hold it in place, lock it in. Do I over tighten this? Do I keep going? Just a tap. Let the right hand side lead. Do that little spin. I got nothing here to drop the bottom seal. Well, the reason why is because there's 3 bottom seals. There's one here on the frame here, there's one here on the pass door, and there's one here in this frame. Once you get it to swing like that, push back on the left and it'll work just like it's supposed to, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring that top seal right into this here, right? I just want to make sure you remember a couple of things here though, all right? All right, here's the process. When we set it up, we go top, bottom. When we break it down, we go bottom, top. I've brought this in. Everything's tight, but I have to remember that I haven't tightened down these bottom seals on the door frame here. So here's why. Because I'm going to walk this expander panel all the way out. Make sure that lines up nice with that jam, male, female. There we go, right there. Now, on this one here, I'm going to give it just a little push. That's tight. I'm going to just give it a tap, all right? And that sends the pressure all the way down the line from a linear standpoint. Now, I'm going to take and I'm going to hit the bottom ones. And I'm going to lock that in place. Now, it allows me to open this door. I'm going to lock this one in place. Now, you guys do need to get an extender. And I'll make a note of that in my report as well, but you can still drop this, all right? You just have to kind of, because this door hits the wall over here. It doesn't open 180. If it opened 180, you'd be able to do a full spin, but that's okay. For right now, we can make it work. So we're just gonna, but we'll get you an expander, which you can pin onto this and it'll stick it out 4, 5, 6 inches. And then we'll bring this down. And then once that touches, just a tap. The way we normally set this is we bring it down so it just scuffs the, you know, the carpet or the tile, floor, whatever, right? So when we're shutting the door, it just ever so slightly drags on the bottom, but it doesn't stop it from moving, right?